Alright guys, I'm back again. Yesterday I promised you that I will introduce a new student called Olivia, and she was going to reply to our question in the forum or in the chat. So she's going to do it now to demonstrate how the chat works. So let's carry on. Our question was, we asked two questions yesterday, one in the have fun category and a second question in the words category. The one in the have fun is more like a discussion, not exactly a question. So here Olivia has logged in and she's going to visit the forum. And here in the have fun category, currently it has 0 views because no one has visited it and answered questions. That's why the replies are 0 as well. So let's open it, and we open it as Joe as well. So as you can see, Joe can edit his question and delete it, but on the other hand, Olivia can only reply to his question. She cannot edit it because it's not her own question. So here he has asked, where are you guys from? And as an example, she's going to participate in the chat. So Joe has gotten the reply, and it says here it was by Olivia, and it's directed towards the main question here, or the main discussion. So now he would like to reply her. Still, he can edit or delete his post if he wants to. We're not going to do that now. And here she replies by saying, and Joe will reply by saying, and she can say, speak it what about you? And here he can ask, let me go and see. And she will go to the forum. As you can see now, it has 8 posts and a single thread. Here is the question and the replies, and it has 2 views. And she goes to the words category. It already has some posts in it. It currently has 0 views. We see that she has answered his question, and he can go and you only need to add a single letter at the end. Yes, you got it. And he will be like, thank you. You are the best. And she will say, sorry. And he will say, that is why I love. That's why I love this platform. And she will say, yes, even though. Everyone who is looking to learn Amharic should subscribe to him. I agree. So guys, these students have helped us to demonstrate and understand how the chat and the forum works. So if you have any more questions about the chat or the forum or about the platform, then of course you can come yourself, create discussions under the school platform category and ask your questions there. And guys, we will conclude the introduction here. Of course, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram as well as Twitter, and bye for now.